Hello friends, a very important video on a new form form GSTR-1A which is introduced from August 2024. This form was officially introduced via notification number 12/2024 on 10th July 2024, but for practical purposes in the portal it got implemented from August 2024. So this form can be used from August 2024, that is for filing July 2024 returns subsequent from August 2024 onwards. This GSTR 1A form or a return can be used. Now what is this GSTR 1A? GSTR 1A is if you have done, while filing your GSTR 1, if you have done any mistake or an error in the present system, this can be corrected only in the subsequent tax period of GSTR 1 only. That is, if suppose July 2024 you are filing your GSTR 1 and you made a mistake, in the present system you could have amended or corrected your mistake only in the next month GSTR 1 if you are a monthly filer, or in the next quarter GSTR 1 if you are a quarterly filer. Now, since GSTR 1A is introduced from August 2024, as soon as GSTR 1 is filed and you come to know that you have made a mistake, you can immediately file a GSTR 1 before filing of GSTR 3B and rectify that mistake. So it's basically to rectify or correct the mistakes what you have done in GSTR 1. Please keep in mind, the mistake what you have committed in GSTR 1 can be rectified only once in the tax period in GSTR 1A. So if you find one mistake and file GSTR 1A for that tax period, and later on you find one more error, you cannot file GSTR 1A again. Only once for each tax period GSTR 1A can be filed. GSTR 1A, if you amend the GSTR 1 mistakes in the same tax period GSTR 3B, also the rectified or an amended figures will be reflecting. So GSTR 1A, if you file before GSTR 3B, all the rectification 1A will be, the amended figures will be reflected in GSTR 3B. Even for the recipient, what is appearing in GSTR 2B, if any error pertaining to that is rectified in 1A, in 2B also the rectified amount or the amended details will be reflected in 2B. So for monthly filers, since GSTR 1 is filed monthly, GSTR 1A also, if any errors are there, can be filed monthly. It has to be filed between the filing of GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B. Then only in the same month GSTR 3B it will be reflecting. For quarterly filers, since GSTR 1 is filed on quarterly basis, even GSTR 1A, that is amendment to GSTR 1, also can be done only on quarter basis. Though IFF form is filed on a monthly basis, but GSTR 1 can be rectified on a quarterly basis only by filing GSTR 1A also quarterly. One thing we have to keep in mind, any change in the GSTN number of the recipient cannot be changed in GSTR 1A. So if you have done a mistake of mentioning a wrong GSTN number of the recipient in GSTR 1, that can be rectified only in the subsequent period of GSTR 1 only and not in GSTR 1A. So it's a very important step which the government has taken and the council has decided to introduce this form, which will actually giving an opportunity to rectify any errors in GSTR 1 and avoiding future notices which may come from the department because of the mismatch between GSTR 1 and 3B. So it's a good step. Please bear in mind this option is available and use this form if you have made a mistake in GSTR 1. Thank you so much for watching this video.